Making money on TikTok involves various methods. Brand partnerships. Collaborate with brands to promote their products or services in your videos. Sponsored content. Create sponsored posts for companies and receive payment. Live gifts. During live streams, fans can send virtual gifts that can be converted into cash. TikTok Creator Fund. Eligible creators can earn money based on video performance and engagement. Merchandise. Sell branded merchandise to your followers through TikTok's partnership with Teespring. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission on sales generated through your referral links. Virtual gifts. Fans can purchase virtual gifts for you during live streams, which you can convert to cash. Consulting and coaching. Offer services related to your expertise through videos and consultations. Music promotion. If you're a musician, promote your music and gain listeners. Challenges. Create sponsored challenges for brands and earn rewards.